My name is Hunter Scott. I'm a founding engineer at Reach Power. Our CEO is hanging out with SOCOM today, so I'm filling in for him. Reach makes long-range wireless power accessible at any scale. We build hardware and software that allow you to create tight beams of energy and send them over long distance. So what you see over here is a miniature version of our transmitter. This has a big grid of antennas inside of it, and these antennas are all going to precisely work together using our algorithms to synthesize a tight beam of energy that is delivered to a receiver over here. So this receiver has a bunch of special circuits in it that absorb the energy out of the air and convert it, and in this case, turn on a light bulb. So to help visualize where the beam is and how directional it is, this is more of those receiver circuits hooked up to a light bulb. There's no battery here. And if I go in the beam, you can see it's pretty directional. So we've been working on this technology for, thanks. We've been developing, inventing, maturing this technology for a number of years now, and we're really at an interesting point here. The latest version of our hardware, this is kind of an old version, the latest version is capable of orders of magnitude more power and distance than what you just saw, and it's designed to be scalable. So our first customers, our first customers and markets are focused on both commercial and defense. On the commercial side, people really want this product because they're able to power more sensors in their production line. They're able to monitor their equipment. They're also able to reconfigure their manufacturing line to build something new very quickly. And that's important for them because it reduces one of their major costs, which is the cost of not running the line. The military really wants this because they're able to charge their combat sensors without having to send somebody out in harm's way to replace a battery and give away the location of the sensor. Both government and first responders are very heavily using drones now, and Reach actually makes it possible to charge drones while they're flying in the air without landing them. This is a game-changing capability. It helps keep everybody safer, and it also gives our warfighters an unfair advantage. So the way that we do this is we have a secure software platform that allows users to manage and control their power mesh networks from anywhere in the world. This has all the features you'd expect from an enterprise-grade tool. Our transmitters and receivers are scalable, which means that you can tile them to make larger or smaller arrays, and that allows you to select how much power and distance you need for your particular application. We have technology that nobody else has, frankly, but you don't have to take our word for it. We have done extensive testing and development with people like NASA, DARPA, the Air Force Research Lab, Pentagon Operational Energy, lots of other government groups. They have all seen our product and our technology firsthand, and they know that it works and that it's very powerful. We have a really great team, and that's allowed us to build a substantial technical moat. We have over 60 patents granted and pending in the US and internationally, and we've actually never had a patent get rejected, which is very unusual, and I think speaks to how innovative our tech is. So we're at an interesting point here. We are about to deliver the latest and greatest version of our hardware to our first customers. We have a great base of both commercial and government anchor customers. We have demonstrated this technology at a number of government events, at exercises, at commercial pilots, and we have a product now that is designed to run in rugged environments, that is built using a US supply chain, and is built with tier 1 manufacturers who know how to build high volume electronics. We've had about $23 million of revenue so far, and the kind of initial market we're going after, our beachhead, is worth about $6 billion. From there, we're going to expand to the larger distributed energy market, which is worth over $900 billion. Right now, we're raising around $6 million, mostly to fund the further pilots, especially for the drone use case. We have a lot of customers who really want to try out the drone use case, especially police departments. And we are planning to do a larger growth round sometime next year. So Reach is building long-range wireless power networks for the $900 billion distributed energy market. We're starting with charging sensors and drones, and we're expanding from there using our scalable hardware and software. So if our vision sounds interesting to you, or if you have any questions, then please come see us. We'd love to talk. Thanks.